The name of the show is Tapestry of Nations, and our tapestry represents the world. It really is a tapestry of dreams. It is a world tapestry because it has many threads and textures and sounds and movements. This whole show is about fire, dance, the beat of drums, color, pageantry. We're trying to get all people together to sing, to dance, to celebrate as they literally go into the next millennium. We knew it was going to be a big show because we wanted it to be Olympic in scope. We wanted it to have meaning, to move people emotionally, and we knew we wanted it to be spiritually uplifting.
The musical score for Tapestry of Nations is by film composer Gavin Greenaway.
It's almost like you're in a carnival. It starts very slow and gentle and builds and builds and pulls you in. And hopefully by the end of each part, you can't help but be part of it.
The stars of the show are extensions of the dancers that might be called puppets, but that are infinitely more. They are the creations of Michael Curry.
I'm trained as a sculptor first and an engineer second, and so I have the unique ability to blend those unions together.
We all walk differently, we all talk differently, sing differently, but ultimately we can dance through the human heartbeat, and we can celebrate as one people at one time on one planet, saying, this is the millennium, we're all together.
Over the history of humanity, people have gathered around fires to tell stories, to share the light, to share the warmth, and use that as a coming together time. And so we're going to use the flame of the torches to bring our audience to the storytelling setting and introduce our story, which is the look at our planet Earth.
More people will be able to see this event in person than any other Millennium event. What's important to me is that this is a live experience that people can really be there for and take it home with them in their hearts. Every individual's experience is a different one. It should be a different one because what the Millennium ultimately turns out to mean will be different for all of us. I think this Millennium will be recognized for its importance only from the future, when we look back and say, you know, what did we choose to do about it? What sort of message did we think about, and what did we do with our lives during this time that will come to be seen as a remarkable event? Reflections of Earth starts with a cosmic event, and from that rises the ultimate cosmic event which gives birth to the planets and the stars and the Earth.
Fire contained on a 150,000-pound inferno barge symbolizes chaos, the beginning of the universe.
Mark your start here.
The Inferno barge was one of the most fun elements of the program. Because this effect can only be performed for so long before things start to get overheated, we had to devise a way to program it without taking too much time. So I decided to program it from a keyboard, and I was actually able to play it as though it was a giant pipe organ, but with flames coming out instead of musical notes. Throughout history, people have gathered around fires at night to share the light and to share stories.
Every evening there are new stories to tell and memories to take home.
This show is free to expand, to fill anyone's mind and heart.
And IllumiNations 2000 Reflections of Earth will go home in the hearts of more people than any Millennium event in all the world.